guys, it's me, Jennifer-Biana, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, please subscribe and like, comment, and all that jazz, and let me know what you think. Also, please click the notification bell to be notified every time I post, and my social media will be somewhere here if you'd like to follow. Come through. My Instagram, Pinterest, Snapchat, literally everything is very, very girly, so come through. And guys, I'm also on TikTok. So today I will be doing a what's on my new laptop. Yeah, usually I make an unboxing video, but this time it has been crazy. I have the MacBook Air, as you guys know from this video, and shout out to a good friend, shout out to Connor. He had a MacBook Pro, a 2016 MacBook Pro, and he told me he didn't need it anymore, and he was like, hey, the screen's broken. If you want to buy this repair kit for $300 on Amazon, I could repair it for you and just give you this laptop. And I was like, you are so kind. Like, you are so kind. Thank you. Because I've always wanted a Pro, but I always cheaped out. And you know what? An Air was really good for just schoolwork, but now that I'm editing on Premiere and using Photoshop, it's been a little hard with an Air, not gonna lie, and that's only recently, because I used to use Final Cut Pro, and Air is really good for Final Cut Pro, but now I've gotten into big boy softwares, which my little Air has not been handling well. So Connor was able to fix it, and he is a genius, very good at tech stuff, and here is my new laptop. The 2016 MacBook Pro with the touch bar, that has been so fun. That has been the highlight of this laptop. I mean, also, you know, its efficiency with the softwares I use, but it has been really fun. And it is really light. I'm gonna get a case for it soon. I just haven't gotten around to it yet, but come watch my what's on my MacBook Pro. Also, this is the setup. I will show you guys how my laptop looks with the touch bar and everything. It is so cool. It's right here. The MacBook Pro touch bar is so fun, and I love it so much. This is my laptop. This is a picture of my boyfriend because I love him so much, and it is a very cute picture. And I love how light and bright the picture is, so then it like is nice. It's a calming picture of my boyfriend. It is so freaking cute. Anyways, so I have a lot of stuff on the desktop. I always keep a lot of stuff on the desktop. It's usually messier. I literally just cleaned this up. So right here I have music, which is a couple songs that I really like to use in my YouTube videos. This is footage for a video that I still have to edit. Then here are presets. My boyfriend is a photographer, so he downloaded a couple presets for me, which if you don't know what presets are, don't worry, I didn't know either until recently. They're basically filters for Lightroom, which is an Adobe program, which is really fun for editing. If you guys want how I edit my Instagram photos, comment below, because my process has changed a whole lot. Way too much. Like, it's this complicated, but it's fun. I think it's really fun. 1, 2, 3 is a couple presets, like you see bright and airy, Cali. So basically, I'm really bad at the logistics, but it imports into the Adobe program. It's kind of like Photoshop, but like an actually like photography editing thing. And then this is a lookbook video that I have yet to post, but hey, sneak peek. This guy edited it right here. I still have to put all that together, all the pieces of that video. Here is BCF. This is a company that I work for, and I make photos for them. This is videos, so this is from my last video. I should delete that and upload my new video content, but yes. Google Chrome, Skype. I don't use Skype. The only reason I have Skype is for business purposes. This is my grad photos. Yeah, they didn't come out good yet. These are just me on campus, but I actually have my cap and gown that just came, of course, when I leave campus. So I do have pictures to take, but these, if you saw these on Instagram, this is me on campus. These are photos that my little kitty cat, that I have photo examples. So these are a lot of my favorite collabs and photos. So if anyone asks me about some collab photos or any photography photos that I have, I show them things in this folder because they're just some fun photos that I really like. And this is work, so this is my resume, my cover letter, my media kit. And a media kit is something a lot of influencers have, which basically shows like what their channels are all about and what message they like to spread and everything about them, which is really fun and cute. Here's organize. Here are some photos of my friends. I took some photos of my friends a while ago. and I don't even know what this is. A random TikTok logo, some screenshots, this random photo of myself, a random photo of a cookie. I do a lot here, so yeah, I do not know. This is also has to do with some preset stuff. And then these are selfies. It literally is what it is. I actually just took these photos and posted them. Here I have QuickTime Player, which I'm using to screen record right now. And here I have MacKeeper. And this is a great transition because this video is actually sponsored by MacKeeper. So you've probably heard of MacKeeper before, but MacKeeper is an app for Macs that delivers multi-layered protection from malware, online threats, and identity theft, along with Mac performance optimization. It helps you keep your Mac secured and fast, and it keeps your data, your private and your browsing, worry-free. ID theft is really cool because you can type in any email of yours and it'll tell you if there were any data breaches or if any companies that you worked with have your password for any reason, and you could go into it and it explains more in depth how they would have. Like, I have a couple breaches, which I was so surprised about, and then you could also change your password, and ID Theft Guard will show you that you should change your password, and you could click mark as all changed to save all of your data and information and your email, which is insane. This really shook me because I was so baffled by this, and it can just keep monitoring your emails forever, which is wild. And the new version of MacKeeper is actually Apple notarized and App Esteemed approved. The app meets the highest standards and requirements and is fully trustworthy. So what exactly does MacKeeper do? It secures your Mac anytime you use public Wi-Fi, which is so important. We forget to think about that. Blocks annoying ads if you want to, for you to enjoy ad-free browsing. Protects you from identity theft, alerting you every time your data has been leaked or there has been any breaches of any kind. It keeps your Mac as fast as possible, which with my heavy programs and Photoshop and Premiere is so needed. So it speeds up your everyday tasks. And it also saves you disk space and money. It clears out your junk files, app leftovers, and duplicates. You should check out MacKeeper if you're tired of seeing your disk space is full. You really don't need to buy any additional space. And MacKeeper goes through your junk files and deletes replicas, which is very convenient and would avoid you having the disk space is almost full message all the time. I get that way too much. It is so annoying. You should check out MacKeeper if your Mac is slowing down, or if you're worried about the files you downloaded from the web, if you think they're sketchy and they could potentially have any hackerish activity on there. You want to be sure that your personal information is protected, and MacKeeper definitely does that. So I'm not gonna lie to you guys, MacKeeper definitely does have a past. I'm sure a lot of you guys know it, related to several issues with ads. However, in July 2018, MacKeeper started a huge transformation. Their aim is to become a consumer-first company and provide online users with the digital privacy and protection they need. MacKeeper has done this by combining security and performance technology with best-in-class technical assistance, 24/7 access to 600 plus tech experts ready for things whenever they could potentially go wrong. The latest version of MacKeeper has VPN features and a range of other new privacy information. The latest version of MacKeeper has anti-tracking technology, VPN feature, and a range of other new privacy features. These include ID Theft Guard, which helps consumers secure leaked data quickly by instantly alerting them of any account breaches, and Stop Ad Blocker, preventing ads and trackers, following consumers online, and enabling them to browse ad-free. MacKeeper has been notarized by Apple itself, App Esteemed approved, and has a Trustpilot score of 4.8. So this is what the program looks like. It literally shows you could activate and fix all of the things in your laptop. It has safe cleanup. This is all of my stuff, logs we're gonna get into right now, but that takes up a lot of space. Duplicate finder, it found that I had a picture that was duplicated, which is true. Smart uninstaller tells you what you should uninstall to get more space on your laptop. Memory cleaner, update tracker, login items. Okay. Internet security, track my Mac, which I'm gonna get right into that because that's actually really important. ID Theft Guard, Private Connect and Stop Ad, which these I'm definitely gonna start soon. I have used MacKeeper before, but I just downloaded it for my new laptop. I had it on my old laptop, so I'm super excited. It's very user-friendly. I really like how they upgraded their look. This is so easy to understand. I'm so excited to use it. Thank you so much, MacKeeper, for sponsoring this video, and the link to download it is right below, guys. Anyways, let's continue with the what's on my MacBook Pro. So always got MacKeeper right here. Here's Microsoft Word, and here's Spotify. This is my playlist. If you ever want to listen to it, it's a lot of songs, a lot of 1975 too, a whole lot. Then I have system preferences, and I have notes, calendar, maps, which I hardly ever use, so I would actually want that removed. I would not. Messages, FaceTime, Google Chrome, Safari, and Finder. I love Google Chrome. So let me show you what apps I have, because that was just what was on my dock. So I have App Store, I have Safari. I'm really not a big fan of Safari, to be honest. I love Google Chrome. Mail, contacts, calendar, reminders, notes. These are all the things that come in a laptop. They also have Find My Mac, which is really interesting. I trust MacKeeper. I'm gonna use the MacKeepers to track my Mac. Then I have Photo Booth, and I could show you guys what the camera looks like. It's actually really good. A MacBook Pro camera is a lot better than the Air, I will say that. Cute. And then I have photos, then I have preview, music, podcasts, TV, Apple TV, I don't really use that. These things I really don't use much. Voice memos, I use mostly on my phone, voice memos. There's the news, stocks, books. I don't really read books online. I like reading books in person. Right now I have the new Hunger Games book, super excited. Dictionary, calculator, home. I've never even clicked this. Oh, so that you get your lights and stuff connected. Okay, I see. Yeah, all right. Then I have Siri, mission control, system preferences, Google Chrome. I have Photoshop, I have Lightroom, I have Premiere, Adobe Media Coder. Don't really know what that one is. And then I have Microsoft OneNote, Word, OneDrive. These are all just Microsoft things that came in a package. Microsoft Teams, Microsoft PowerPoint. Only really use Word and PowerPoint and Excel. And honestly, like, I also just really use Google Drive. Google Drive is my favorite thing ever. Then I have Spotify, and of course, MacKeeper. So then in other, I have all these random other things. I don't even know what Grapher is, or Script Editor. I've never even looked at these things. Oh, cool. Oh, okay. That's really cool, actually. So it's like mathematical, like if you ever want to graph something. Then I have Documents, which are actually more photos. Oh yeah, I have more photos. This is Adobe, so this is where all my video files would go. Premiere Pro, so like this is where, you know, my files are. Then I have random selfies. More random selfies, more selfies because Instagram. This is me working with Spa Secret, editing photos for them. That was fun. These are just photos of my boyfriend. This is my pink shoot. This was cute. I had fun with this shoot. Also, like, honestly, I just have fun taking photos by myself, and if you have fun taking photos by yourself, and if you like it, like, you don't need to be a professional model to do it. Just do it if it's fun for you. My Instagram is so not it. I'm way better on YouTube than Instagram, but I have so much fun taking photos and editing photos, so just never be scared to go into bigger programs for literally things you do, because I literally take iPhone 11 Pro photos and put them into these insane softwares, and it's really fun, and I'm not gonna stop. I just kind of sometimes feel foolish, but then I'm like, Jennifer, you're having fun, you're enjoying this, don't feel foolish just because you're not an actual model or you're not an actual photographer or you're using just your iPhone. Like, do it if it's fun for you. And that was my rant on that. And then I have LUTs. So what are LUTs? LUTs are little filters you can put on videos. I did not know about this either until recently. Photographer boyfriend has its perks. He's also a videographer. Just kind of put these in there. These are, I guess, are all of the LUTs that he uses. Orange and teal is really big. So they're video filters, basically. So I was watching Danny Gonzalez right here. This is me watching a random person talk about how they were scammed into buying a house. That was whack. Here's more my emails. Here's a BuzzFeed video, I went to London with no clothes. And then here's more emails, and that is everything on my laptop. I really hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you check out MacKeeper. They're great, they're super protective, and they are a lot better than they were before. They've added so many new features, they're super user-friendly, and they're really great for protecting your laptop, your identity, giving you ad-free browsing, and so much more. Thank you guys for watching, and I hope you enjoy this video.